Okay guys, it's a 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Sends you from Real Deal Auto. It's got the 3.5 Ecoboost motor on it. It's a rebuilt title. There's damage right through here. Really light. No mechanical issues to be worried about. Running boards. This is a 6-seater. $11,789 on the miles. Your lane assist. Looks like you've got cruise. Does have your tow package with your locking differential, no trailer brake. Navigation, Apple CarPlay, 360 camera, lights here. Automatic lights here. Looks like those front windows are automatic. Roll down one click. Number. It does have the front painted bumpers, front and rear. Makes it look a little better than the other XLTs. Bed liner, bed mat. Alignment's been passed. Any damage is right here. It looks like they had caught something and kind of pulled this door back. Looks like it should. Nice 24 Ford F-150 rebuilt title, light damage, 3.5 Ecoboost, 4-wheel drive, locking diff, painted front and rear bumpers. Presenting you from Real Deal Auto.